It did not go well. I think I worked myself up. Some of the stuff starts sounding alike, and I'm like, well, what is that? So I start second guessing myself. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Brandon Brews channel. Today is the day I am going to go take the permit test. I'm going to bring you all along. Of course, I can't bring you inside, and I don't want to bring you inside because that's just going to make me nervous, of course. But I'm going to go take the test, and I'll talk to you guys when I get in the car. Stay tuned. All right, so we're in the car. Am I nervous? Just a little bit, but today I actually feel very confident because you know, when you get that like aha moment and everything starts coming together, you're like, oh, this is why this works together. This is why this works together. So, and I guess I just want to be able to pass it on my first time and not have to go back and do it. I think that's the perfectionist in me. I've been doing that kind of stuff all my life. That's what happens when you are a classical pianist. You're a solo performer, and that's the kind of stuff you strive for. So that's just, I don't know, that's just in me. But I think I got a good grasp on everything, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, I'm back. It did not go well. I think I worked myself up, but I passed the general knowledge, which was 50 questions. I'm shocked at that. Like, I passed that, and then I fumbled on combination, and I fumbled on air brakes. And I was always one question from passing. I just felt like everything started running into, like, what is this? That sound like the same thing. That sound like the same thing. I'm just like, so I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I'm not a sore loser. Hey, I got more time to study and I can take it again. So I just wanted to get it on the first time, but I'm gonna study and probably even do, I did some practice tests, and we'll see what happens. I'm passing tomorrow. And even like those tests, the questions were shorter. So, I mean, not the questions were shorter. There were less questions on the test. So I'm like, oh, okay. But then it was like, some of the stuff starts sounding alike. And I'm like, well, what is that? So I start second guessing myself. And you know what happens when you start second guessing yourself. So that's what happens. We're going to pick it up tomorrow, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. What is up, guys? It is the next day. I'm back here at the BMV, and I am going to go take the test on air brakes and combinations. I had a good, I guess you could say, 24-hour reset. I had a good study session, and then I feel like yesterday, take these off. I feel like yesterday I just worked myself up. Like, after taking 50 questions, and then everything was just a blur, and then everything just started feeling the same, looking the same, and I started second guessing myself. And now I'm very more confident. Like, I've looked at some study tests, taken some practice tests, and I've been acing them. So I'm like, oh, okay. And then I'll just keep taking it. And then I start reading the book again. I kept flipping pages, looking at stuff. I even got to a point where, look, can you see that? I was highlighting stuff. So I looked at my questions that I missed, and I figured how I missed them. And I guess I just have to give myself some grace, because this is something new. Like, this is totally new. It's like, hey, everything gonna just be handed to you or just laid in your lap. Sometimes you might have to put a little extra some in it. So So I'm excited. I feel confident that I'm gonna go up in here and make this happen. And then I have to turn the perfectionist off too, because I had to think about it. I'm like, I'm over here like, I can't miss a question. I'm just like, all you gotta do is pass though. And my friend Kevin, I was just talking to him. He was like, when the last time when you got your regular driver's license that somebody asked you what your score was? Nobody did. So next time you see me, I should be walking out here and I should be telling y'all I passed. So let's see. I got it, y'all. I passed. I was so much confident today. And then I found out this one thing. One of the reps was like, we don't usually give general and combination and all of that together. And I was like, for real? I was like, so I was up here stressed out because that's what I thought y'all do and y'all did it and then tell me. She was like, yeah, usually take general one day and then you'll take the combination and air brakes. I knew every question on there. All the air brake questions. You only had to get, I don't know, I think 20 or 16. And as soon as you did it, it said you passed and then you did the next one. And I'm just like, I should have did this yesterday. This is how I should have broke it up. So if you are in the process of doing what I'm doing, trying to get your CDLs, about to go to trucking school or whatever, break that mess up. Break it up. Take the general by itself because it's 50 questions. And then take the other two on a different day. Like, it was smooth sailing. Like, I literally know the ins and out of the stuff now. But my mind, when I took all those 50 questions at one time, yeah, I did 50 and then I did another 20, then another 20. It was just like, all this stuff started sounding the same. I was like second guessing myself and all of that. Today, it was like piece of cake. I knew everything. So, but yeah, I'm so excited. And I gotta tell everybody, I know this is just like one step toward, this ain't even the major thing about getting my license yet. But nah, like, I don't know. And then I had to give myself grace. I said that earlier, but I ain't took a test in forever since college. I ain't had to take no test. So maybe I just needed to fail to get it again. But like I say, I should have broke it up. I didn't even know you could, but I'm so glad. So guys, stay tuned on this journey. I think I'm starting school next week. I got to go talk to my recruiter and figure that out. But yeah, I'm excited. It's like one weight has been lifted. I'm gonna have a good weekend. Now I don't have to be thinking about that. Man, now I can go take Jax to a park. We can go for a walk. We can go get something to eat. I haven't even ate, y'all. I haven't even ate today. I only drank some coffee because I was just really trying to get this. But I'm so glad it's over. All right, stay tuned for the next video, y'all. Be blessed.